Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen, and today I will discuss on Python, and this is the another video on Python where I will discuss some of the examples on recursive function, string and datetime module in Python language. So go to the computer screen. Through Python ideally I will describe today's examples step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python ideally, and here I will write the code for different examples of Python. Okay, so first problem is that write a Python code to find out Fibonacci series up to 10 terms using recursion. Okay, so here we write the code, already save the file named example_2.py. okay, so we take at first a user defined function, put the name is Fibo, so just write def Fibo and put the argument is n, and then within that we check at first if n less equal to 0, then we return, just write within double quote, input should be a positive number, right? Because you already know for Fibonacci series is concerned, the number should be positive. Okay, then another condition is check elif n equal 1, then we return just 0. Okay, number of term is 1, so first term is 0. Again elif if n equal 2, then we return 1. Okay, and then else, using the else this part and return Fibo the function and send argument n-1 plus Fibo n-2. okay, so this is the body of the function, and outside the function we just write another variable n_t equals suppose 10. So we want to find out the 10 terms for Fibonacci series is concerned, that's why we take the variable n_t equal 10, and then another variable take f_s equal, and we take a list here and just write Fibo and send as argument here I, and here we using actually list comprehension, and just write for I in range and just start with 1 comma n_t plus 1. We already know for range is concerned it should be the stop whatever you given should be less 1, that's why plus 1 is given. Okay, and then we close the parentheses and close the square bracket. So now we just print the elements which are present within the list f_s. So just write for I in f_s, put a colon, and then just print I comma, put end equal double quote open, put a space and parenthesis close after closing the double quote. Save it. We already saved the file example_2.py. just run it, press F5. So we got the Fibonacci series of 10 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Now the second problem is that write a Python code to find out the calendar of the year 2024, means the current year is concerned, and also find out the year 2024 is leap year or not, and also find out the day of the date 21st July 2025. Okay, so to do this we just write the code here within the same file example_2.py. At first we import the calendar module. Okay, and also we import another module datetime. So these two modules is needed to write this code. Okay, and we take the year at first 2024, and then we print the calendar of this year. So just write print calendar module, and there is a calendar function is there, and send as an argument year. We find out the calendar of the year 2024. Okay, and now we take another variable I underscore L equal, and here we find out is leap year or not, so use the is leap function or method. Just write calendar module dot is leap and send the argument as year, right? And then we just checked if I underscore L, put a colon, and then just write print formatted string we are using, just write the year, and within curly brace just write year variable is leap year, double quote end, parenthesis close. Else means actually I underscore L store either true or false. If the year is leap year, it store true. If it's not leap year, store false. And same way, formatted string we are using here, just write the year, within curly brace just write year is not leap year, double quote end, parenthesis close. And the last one, we find out the day. So just write take as a date as a variable, and now we are using this datetime module, datetime dot date, and send the particular argument. At first we send the year, then send the month 7, is the July is concerned 7, and the date 21st. And then we take another variable d underscore w, which stores the day between Monday to Sunday, right? And now we call date dot, just write str f time, and send as an argument within double quote percent capital A, double quote end, parenthesis close, the new line. Now print in that way formatted string July 21st 2025 is, within brace just write d underscore w, brace close, double quote end, parenthesis close. If you save it within the same file name example underscore 2.py, just run it, press F5. So at first we got the calendar of 2024, January to December. Then we get the year 2024 is leap year, yes, is divisible by 4, and July 21st 2025 is one day, right? So I hope you have understood how to code that particular problem in Python, right? Now go for the third example, right? And the third problem is that write a Python code to create a new string with no duplicate consecutive letters from a given string, right? So to do that, at first we write the code to the same file name within this example underscore 2.py, right? So at first we write a string and take an input. So just write str equal input. We already know input function always take input in form of string. So enter a string, just write here, and then double quote end, parenthesis close. Then we take a variable n underscore s equal and put is empty, right? And then take another variable p underscore s and put the value none, right? And then we choose a for loop for c in str, means we find out each and every character from the string, and within the for we just checked here if c not equal p underscore s, put a colon, and here we write n underscore s plus equal c, p underscore s equal c. That means whatever the duplicate element arrive, it will be removed, and new string only contain the unique letters, right? This process is going on until unless we reach the last character of the string, and after that we print the new string. Just write here n underscore s, parenthesis close, save the file within the file name example underscore 2.py, just run it, pressing F5. Yes, enter a string. Suppose we write here, for example, technical Arcoen there is no consecutive duplicates is there. That's why it print all the characters. Now again, if we run it and put something where the duplicate is there in consecutive way, suppose write AAA, BBB, CC and then D. Just see only ABCD is available here. Why? Because consecutive duplicates are removed from there. I hope you have understood today's video. Today I have described 3 different problems in 3 different sections of Python program is concerned. If you like this video, please like it. If you have some doubts from today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcade for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.